reporting to you live from the sad carcass of a Sears. It's bleak in here. As the millennials say, oof. So I literally just went, I should get a photography vest. No! Like, because you don't want to be that guy, but I need more pockets for all my things. And then I'll buy more things to fill my pockets. It's a vicious cycle, but I love it. Oh, wow. I'm looking for a good gorilla time lapse. But look at this. So that was real cool. I met Dunstan and Chris, and they work with dogs in some capacity. Rehabilitation of some kind, I think. So we might do a video shoot at some point, so that's really cool. Those power lines seem really low. Like, don't swing too hard. Coursing it up. God, that's so pretty. Yeah, that's what I need. I need a neutral density filter, or possibly a lot of them. I'm pregnant with tacos.